I want to show you how to make a lush and beautiful fall centerpiece today. I picked up this box a couple of years ago. I've used it a lot of different holidays, but you can find things like this all kinds of places. I will find one and put a link in the description below. And all I've done is I have wedged in some dry floral foam. And then we are just going to go to town. You can find a garland, a leafy garland, anywhere. So the first thing I'm going to do, make this really quick and easy, is, well, take the price tag off. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my leafy garland and I'm going to use some S pins or floral pins, greening pens. Everybody calls them their own thing. And I'm just going to anchor this around the edge of my floral foam. I probably won't even need the entire garland, but I want to start with that little fall, feeling of fall leaves. And when I get down here, I'm just going to cut my garland, and I can save that and add that later if I want, or add it to one of my other fall decorations. And I'm just going to secure this last end with a greening pin. So there, this is what I need a picture of. There you have a start. I mean, it's like almost done already. The next thing I'm going to do, oh, look at it move. It's trying to bounce up off of there. So I'm going to add a couple more of those greening pins. Stay. Okay, what I've done is I've taken some of these pumpkins like this, and you're going to take your pumpkins. I've done this one in the past. You're going to take your little artificial pumpkins. This one has a leaf glued to the top, and you're just going to take a wooden skewer and stick it right into that pumpkin. Then you're going to cut the skewer so it's not quite so long, and just push that right into your floral foam. I mean, this is beautiful already. This kind of has a stem on it, so I'm just going to stick this down in here. Nope, yeah, it's going to stay. And I have one more, a kind of a green one. Maybe I'm going to move this over a little bit and put the green one here. I'm a big advocate of, if you're making something and you don't like how it's turning out, just like I decided I was moving this one, just move the things to where you want them to be, okay? This is another one of those that already has the stem on it. And this looks already lush and full, but we're going to add some itty bitty pumpkins, like so, throughout. This was a pick that I picked up at Michael's, and I just cut the little pumpkins apart. And now we are going to add some fall flowers. So here it is. This is what it looks like at this point. Okay. And I'm just going to take my fall flowers and then move those leaves aside and start adding my fall blooms. I've got some pretty hydrangeas. I will turn this around in a minute and show you. And just take your bushes that you pick up from the craft store, slide your leaves up towards the flowers, or if you have flowers that keep falling off like that, just use a little hot glue to make sure that they're secure, and then just cut your little bushes apart. There's so many leaves in there. Having a tough time finding the floral foam. There we go. This is going to be something beautiful. You can like put on display in September and leave out through Thanksgiving. This could be a beautiful Thanksgiving centerpiece. And just tuck your flowers in. Like I said, if you don't like how something's lying and you would like it to change it, pull it out and plant another plant. Pull it out and insert another one or insert it in a different place. But you want to give it that really full look because that's the look of the season. Add one more of these pretty orange marigolds over here. Look how fast that went together. Look at that beautiful centerpiece. That is really easy. Once again, I will put links below to all of the products that I used. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you right here next time.